If you love coconut and are looking for a sweet snack with a zesty lemon twist, these easy and delicious coconut bars are perfect for you. These delightful and easy to make bars combine chewy coconut with a hint of lemon. So let's make these mouth-watering coconut bars. Add 1 cup of coconut milk and sugar to the saucepan, stir it up and bring it to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, keep cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 2.5 cups of desiccated coconut and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Stir everything together until well mixed. It should start smelling so good right now. For a lemony twist, add a few drops of lemon extract or 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it in. Once it's done, turn off the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes. After it cools down a bit, add 3 tablespoons of icing sugar and give it a one last stir. Now grab a pan and line it with parchment paper. Pour the mixture into the pan and use a spatula or a spoon to spread it evenly. Now smooth out the top so your bar looks nice and even. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of lemon zest on top and press it down gently with a spatula so it sticks to the coconut mixture. Let it set at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours or chill it in the fridge for an hour to firm up faster. Once the bars are set, lift the coconut mixture out of the pan. Use a sharp knife and slice it into bars. They are great for satisfying your sweet tooth and make a fantastic snack. You should get about 12 to 14 pieces. And that's it. Look how perfect and beautiful these coconut bars are. They are great for snack or dessert. Enjoy them right away or store it for about 2 weeks. Be sure to try this out and tell me how yours turned out in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun recipes like this. See you next time.